welcome to Uncle S's 2024 gardening update. Let's get to it.
All right, thank you, Harper, Colton, and Cooper. Appreciate that. All right, it's time for Uncle S's gardening update. And we're going to start with some spices here, and we're going to take a look. We've got some oregano here, a sage plant that is dead that didn't make it. They didn't get it. Basil and lemon something or other. Next.
Wait.
Yes, sir?
Also, we have here my hurt leg.
Oh, Colton hurt his leg at football camp. And Harper got... And Cooper's acting like Cooper.
I have two huge bump platers warts on the bottom of my foot.
From Hilton Head.
And
All right.
turf.
Next, we're going to look at some...
Turf burn.
Oh, boy. All right. Now we're going to look at some parsley, everybody. Parsley. And Harper's favorite, garlic chives.
Wait, can I eat one?
Yeah, you can.
I hate those.
You just a little tip
Are
of
they
it.
good? Sarcastic.
Yeah, they won't hurt you. They don't hurt you.
Are they actually good, fams?
Yeah, they don't hurt you.
Good, y'all?
Now we've got Kentucky White F Runner green beans. And let's look at the flowers. See the flowers, folks, in the middle of your screen? That's what'll give us green beans to eat. Now, next after the Kentucky White F Runner beans, we have tomato plants. Now, you might be wondering, and that's what Harper's asking, why the soap is there on a string. I don't know what brand it is, Harper. Just generic.
This is sponsored by generic brand soap.
We had deer that were eating our tomato plants, the leaves, so we put soap to stop them. And it's working good. Look how tall they are. They're taller than the cages. Wow. Yes, sir.
These aren't not that bad.
Yeah, the garlic chives are good. Yes, sir. All right, look at all the tomatoes. Look at these guys here. Let's zoom in.
My dad has more.
Let's zoom in on these. Well, your dad can do his own gardening update. This is Uncle Les's gardening
He doesn't
update.
have a YouTube channel.
Oh boy, there's more tomatoes. We got a bunch of tomatoes here. All right, next after the tomatoes, we're going to move to our bush beans by the shed here. And you're going to notice big, wonderful green leaves. And look at all the buds. Look at all the flowers that Cooper is pointing out to you. Those are going to produce bush beans, green beans. Wow. Well, there's a little guy. A lot of nice looking.
What we should do?
And now these are wax beans over here, everybody. All right, that's pretty much it for the vegetables. This has been Uncle Les's gardening update. And we thank Harper, Colton, and Cooper again for their assistance in making this video. And any closing statement, children?
Because this channel would not be what it is today without us. Just gotta say that. He has a lot of views. He has a lot of views and subscribers because of our hillbilly slip and slide. And
Well, that'll be after the 4th of July party.
Of our beautiful faces.
That'll probably be our next YouTube video on my channel is our hillbilly slip and slide.
We should do today a hide and seek video. Yes. Oh my god.
All right, we got to upload this video to our channel, children. Wave goodbye to the viewing public, children.
Bye. No, guys. I'm gonna tell you about mewing. So you go like that. And after that,
Put your shirt on, Cooper.
no, you go like this.
Goodness gracious, son.
No, so you put your tongue on the top of your mouth and push it, and then you go like this.
All right, we're out of here.
No, you go like this. Hey, Uncle Lester! Uncle Lester, look at that! Remember this?
Oh boy, Cooper falling down. Put your shirt on, son. Whoa, he's gone. All right, bye now.
No. We'll end with Cooper falling on the cam.
He did. Oh, I fall again. Oh, he's down.
All right, bye, guys.